What up, what up, what up, what is happening, good people? Look at us, man. We done knocked that one DOD delete swaps and stuff. Me and my little man don't know what happened. Things happen. Anyway, yeah, so we done knocked out one DOD delete. We're gonna go ahead, if I can flip his camera around, show y'all the other one we're great dude. What up? What up, what up? What up? Sorry about that pop. Damn, my dog. Yo, so we in the box. Transmission's really starting to show itself. Slipping. Uh-oh. Is it better? No, not really. But anyway, excuse me. The transmission is really starting to show itself. And then it seems like my channel is starting to turn into a transmissions channel. Even though I know nothing about a transmission. I just know that I've not had any luck when it comes to transmissions in vehicles. What I got going on in this is the overdrive is shot. But, you know, again, I'm not mad about this because this vehicle was purchased with a bad transmission, what I was told. Does it slip? Yes. Could it run better and shift better? Yes. But does it work and move and drive? Yes. So I'm not mad. But what we're going to do is we're going to attempt, you know, the 4L80E we bought with no park in it. Well, I've been doing a little homework, and I didn't guess that vehicles were built with no park. RVs and Hummers and stuff, heavy vehicles, real heavy vehicles. Those vehicles don't have a park in them because of the weight. They said the parking pawl may not release because of how much weight is pressed upon that parking pawl. So chances are this could be a transmission out of an RV. I know it's got a Mr. Goodrich sticker on it, which that don't mean crap. Because anybody can go get a sticker, slap it on the transmission and make it work. So we in the box. The box rubs a little bit. You hear it? It rubs a little bit, nothing major. We need shocks and springs out. Well, we got shocks in the rear. We need shocks and springs in the front. So that's the plan for the front, is put some shocks and springs in it. But again, we're talking about the 4L80E because we're going to put the 6.2 in this with the 4L80E. Now, I'm not sure which way we're going to go with how to control it. But we're looking at, I'm looking at either the stock ECM, and that's going to have a separate transmission controller, just like what we're dealing with on my, on the Tahoe at the moment, or Terminator X Max. Either way, I'm looking at just a mild cam just for the sound. I'm looking at some long tubes, which I know where they're at. I need to talk to the guy and see what we can come up with. I'm not sure if they'll even work on this application because of, I don't know. They may not. It may not work. Short tube, I'm in at $88 for some shorties. Why not use those? Next thing is the yoke. Transmission. Like I said, 80E. We're going to attempt to put this parking pawl in. I just watched the video on installing a parking pawl. He did it on an RV in the driveway or in his garage, whichever it was, with the transmission still in the vehicle. So I have a transmission that's out of the vehicle, and why can't I put this parking pawl in there? I'm going to order the parking pawl, put it in, and pray that we got a dang good transmission. When we crack the transmission open, I will show you that it has no park marked on it, plain as day. So the individual I purchased this transmission from knew that there wasn't no park in it. Crook. But anyway, we're gonna make the best out of it. And the reason why I say he knew and he crook and all that is because there's no way around putting the you know, yeah, I put this in and it's a good one. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the 400 turbo. If you put this in, you knew that there wasn't no part. You see what I'm saying? But you sell it to me as a good working transmission. And I know you watch, crook. Anyway, but I'm gonna make the best out of it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get like a little mild stall, 2800, something like that. And we're gonna drop the 6.2 in this beast, man. Take the 305 700R out. Those items will be for sale for the cheap, and I mean for the cheap. And we'll run and we'll rock with this, with the 700 or the 4L80 and the 6.2. And you know, we already got the 342s out back. We already got the posi traction out back, so we're not going to change any of that. Yeah. So I don't know. You know, some of my videos, I don't know if y'all like the introduction or what. I mean, the introduction is trying to, I guess, give you a rundown of what we hope to accomplish. Tell me his car ain't just gonna run the red light. He sure did. Wow. Wow. He said, that's why I said I'm gonna slow down. Because if I would have passed this car, of course the light was red. Phew, excuse me, man. I would have passed the car, light was red, I would have to slow down, and he didn't. He wouldn't. He probably went around me. But anyway. But we'll get on to the parking pawl 4L80E install with the 700 with the 6.2 for the box. What is happening? When it rains, it pours. Literally, look at the sky. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Now let's look at this. There's a light. Well, actually, I was at that light. That light turned green. I went to take off. It wouldn't move, man. So we sitting on the side of the road. Been sitting here for a minute. I mean, and when I'm talking about rain, look at the sky, man. Look at the sky. When it rains, it pours, and it's been pouring rain, man. Pouring rain. Big shout out to my co-workers, man. Everybody that drives home this way has been hitting me up, texting me, messaging me, asking me if I'm good. You need a ride, you need a trade, you know, asking me everything. So big shout out to them, man. I was just getting off work. Actually, I got off work 3 hours ago. And so that tells you how long this has been happening. But no problems. We're gonna get it back to the house. Give me more reason to go ahead and I guess got the 6.2 in it. I ain't got no time. I really don't want to yet because I'm not ready to. But who knows? Who knows? Down and out. Down for the count. Man, the box is done for now. We'll get it back on the road, y'all, somehow. Oh, the box, man. The box. There she go, y'all. Man. We'll see.
Swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.